Isikole obekufunda kuso uSiyabonga siphoqeke ukuthi siwhlehlise umcimbi wokuvalelisa abafundi benkulisa ebesiwuhlelele namhlanje esikhundleni salokho sabamba inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kaSiyabonga. uSiyabonga oneminyaka emihlanu naye ubezoba ngomunye babafundi abebezovaleliswa njengoba ubezoyoqala ugrade R ngonyaka ozayo.
Siyabonga was a very humble person. Loved to work with other kids, loved to play, always wearing a smile, always. I did not remember even a single day whereby the teacher came to the class, to my office saying that Siyabonga did that. No, he was just a very, very, very smart child.
Umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uthi kunzima ukulawula ukuthi izingane zidla ini uma zingasekho emagcekeni esikole.
When it moves beyond our control, goes at home, then other structures, other government departments and other entities, municipal offices, officials, they need then to do what is expected out of them.
Kulandela lesi sigameko, umphakathi uvuke umbhejazane ufuna ukuthi zivalwe zonke izitolo zabantu bokufika.
Sicounter abantu abafile every day, bona bacounta imali from the community. So enough is enough.
We used to have shops in our areas. I don't even remember. I don't remember even dying. Today, why them? What kind of person they have?
Umnikazi wesitolo uthi angeke ayibalekele lenkinga uzimisele ukuthi kutholakale isixazululo.
I will close the shop. If you have the thing, I repeat, if your child is sick, I will take the hospital. What I can't run. I'm staying here.
Umphakathi uthi uma ingakaqali ukusetshenziswa imithetho yokulawulwa kwamathilomu emenyezelwe ngumengameli wezwe ngesonto ledlule, izitolo zabokufika azingavulwa.